You are about to find out the key levels on NIO. So to get straight into it, we can see we're up about 8.5% on the day. We are coming into one key level, and that is currently at $14.50. Again, that can potentially be a day trading level where we trade this to the downside. But again, we tend to focus more on the swing outlook of the stock. So then what are we paying attention to? So we'll cover the supports and then we'll cover the resistance. So from a support standpoint, and this could be our target again if we're swinging short now from 14.50, because we are becoming very overbought, we can target these downside moves. We could be looking at 13.20. This would be our third deviation on the 6 month. What I like with this level is it is also right next to the gap fill that was created yesterday as well. So there's kind of 2-in-1 targets there. Then if we drop further and we want another support, we then have 11.70, and if we go below that, we have 10.25. So those are all the deviational supports where, again, if you want to potentially, you think this is going to continue up, you want to get in on this upward trend or momentum, then these could be potential buy areas. Again, obviously, if we're short bias, these can be some good targets. If you want another support below that, they're not deviational levels, but we do have the anchored VWAP. So first you have this lighter blue. What this is the anchored VWAP from the 1st of June, so a quarterly VWAP. And then this darker blue is a 1-year VWAP. So this is from January 1st. And you can see both of these are around $10 to $9.60. So that's kind of another key zone of support. If we start breaking below that range, then I would be pretty bearish on the stock and imagine it would come back down to fair value, which I think right now is around $7. Now though, onto the resistance. If we do continue up, we actually only have one more resistance, and that is at $18.50. So again, if we break through all of these, we hold this move, we break above $14.50, come back to test it as a support, then again, we would be targeting $18.50 as that key resistance, and this is where I would be really bearish on the stock. This is where I would start swinging short buys. That's the way I'm going to trade it. Is if we do break out, I'm trading that level. I'm going to be trading it as a swing trade, short buys with options, so to find that risk. So if for any reason it does continue up, there's any sort of a squeeze, we're protected. But in the high probability chance that we start to pull down, obviously we can capture on that big move, and as well that would be a really nice level from a risk to reward standpoint, considering our first target would be around $14.50. So we would have about 4 points on side as our first take profit. So that would be quite nice on NIO. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, why don't you check out this video, because you'll probably enjoy that one too.